Mm. Mm. How can I explain a love that's never ending, a love that keeps on reaching when my heart is slowly mending? I wandered through the darkness, thinking I was all alone, but every road I traveled led me back home. You saw beyond my failures, beyond my broken plans. You called me by my name, Lord, and gently took my hand. When I ran away, you ran after me. When I hid my face, you still called my name. Your mercy never changed. Your love keeps calling me home. Your love never leaves me alone. Like Hosea and Gomer, you never let me go. That's the wonderful love. Ooh, the wonderful love of God. You knew every secret, every tear I'd ever cried. Still you wrapped your grace around me, never asking why. When I felt unworthy, you called me your own. When I thought it was over, you rolled away the stone. Every promise you whispered still lives inside my soul. Your love keeps restoring everything sin stole. You never stop believing, even when I stop believing in myself. You never stop loving, even when I couldn't love you back. Your love keeps calling me home. Your love never leaves me alone. Like Hosea and Gomer, you never let me go. That's the wonderful, wonderful love. The wonderful love of God. Nothing can separate, nothing can erase. Nothing is stronger than amazing grace. Your love keeps chasing, your love keeps healing every broken place. Your love keeps rebuilding. I was lost, now I'm found. Now I'm found. I was broken, now I'm whole. Your love rescued me. It keeps reaching, it keeps healing, it keeps calling, it keeps loving again. Your love keeps calling me home. Keeps calling me home. Your love never leaves me alone. You paid the price to make me whole. That's the wonderful love. Wonderful love. The wonderful love of God. I don't deserve it, I could never earn it. Still you gave it freely. Thank you for your wonderful